Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to create a simple daily routine that boosts productivity, health, and happiness. Let's get started. Morning. Start strong. 1. Wake up early. Gain time to focus on yourself. 2. Hydrate. Drink water to energize your body. 3. Plan your day. List 3 top priorities. 4. Move your body. Exercise or stretch for 10 minutes. 5. Healthy breakfast. Fuel your mind and body. Daytime. Stay focused. 1. Time blocks. Work in focused intervals with short breaks. 2. Tackle priorities. Start with the most important tasks. 3. Move often. Take quick walks or stretch breaks. Evening. Wind down. 1. Unplug. Avoid screens an hour before bed. 2. Reflect. Write down what went well and plan for tomorrow. 3. Gratitude. End your day with 3 things you're thankful for. And that's it. A simple routine to improve your life every day. Which habit will you start with? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay amazing.